Hi, my name's Tangie. I'm going to review this Eco Clean, and I love this thing. This is also from the same company. I like these. These are very good, but this one I really had a lot of fun with. So what's so cool about this is that you just push the button, and you can see the little green, red light, and it just takes just a couple minutes, just a few minutes in there. You can see it. It takes just a few minutes, and then you're ready to go. But what I love about it, it's natural, gentle. It kills germs, bacteria. And what's so cool is, you know, there's a lot of things that you buy to clean. And this is so much simple. It's clean. It's doesn't cost as much, and it's natural. So like I have these granite countertops, and it's so awesome. You just spray it, and it's great on countertops, and it cleans it so nice. It's great on windows. It's great on mirrors, wood, like my refrigerator, stainless steel. It's wonderful for that. It doesn't leave any streaks, and you can clean toilets with it, your sinks. I was really surprised because I thought, it's not going to be strong enough, you know? But I was so surprised, you guys. I have had more fun cleaning with this than really before. So actually it's been so much fun cleaning with this. I just love this little thing. And they didn't have a lot of information about this on the website. You can see it's a little murky, you can kind of see when it's done. But as I got it home, I thought, I'm going to try it on this. I'm going to try it on this. And it made it cleaning so much fun. So I just love this thing. So you guys just check out the Eco Clean and just click the link below and have fun cleaning in your home.
And if you add salt to it, it makes hypochlorous acid, which is a bleach alternative, which you can use, which is non-toxic. And so it just, right now it's making hydrogen water, right? Basically. And that hydrogen water cleans, and you can use it on anything. And you said it's really good on woods, you noticed?
Wood. I love it on everything.
Yeah.
I'm amazed. I've used it on everything. Yeah. My tabletops, wood. These countertops and stainless steel, it's really great.
Those three you've really tested on, and then toilets too, it sounds like. But the hypochlorous acid, that you can use as a bleach alternative, which is natural. And then you're just saving a ton of money with cleaning products, and it's much simpler. You don't have to mix cleaning products and, what is good for what. It's like an all universal cleaner for everything. Saves you time, money. You just throw water in it, turn it on, and get to work. And then get it done. It's simple and clean. Have you used it on your car yet?
No,
that'd be interesting.
You could use it in one thing instead of all these bottles of stuff, you guys.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have all those weird odors and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
It's just
neutral.
It's so fresh. I've used it on wood floors too, and no streaks, nothing. It cleans. I'm just
kind of magic technology.
I am so surprised how much I like this.
That's
I just
awesome.
kind of bought it on a hunch because I wanted something simple and didn't want all these. I wanted something natural and simple. And I don't have all these things to go clean all these different, toilets, bathroom, whatever. I just use it in everything. I even clean the walls on it. So,
nice.
That's
awesome.
It.
Check out Eco Water below. There will be a link below with a discount code as well, I believe. So check it out, and we'll see you in the next review video. Make sure to subscribe for more health and wellness product reviews. Cheers.